Welcome you all. The problem 4 from chapter The Cell. Mitochondrial DNA is circular, self-replicating or single-stranded. So here is our stresses: 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2 only, or 1, 2 and 3. So let's start with 1. Right, 1 states that it is a circular. Is the mitochondria circular? Well, this is going to be a true statement. Why? Because of the endosymbiont hypothesis. Endosymbiont hypothesis. If we think back, we know that the theory for those double membrane bound organelles come to be was through the engulfing of a small prokaryotic. By eukaryotic cell. So this eukaryotic engulf the prokaryotes on taking it, and in doing so part of the membrane fuse around the prokaryotic. So it is from this double membrane. So if we are draw this out after a period of time, we have our eukaryotic cell, and then we have our prokaryotic in here, but it will have this second membrane around it. Alright, and instead of degrading the prokaryotic and eukaryotic decided to live in symbiosis with one another. So it is form a symbiont relationship where the prokaryotic potential, if this is for running to the mitochondria, then it will most likely have the capability to undergo oxidative phosphorylation, right? So the mitochondria are 4 months that mitochondria will produce a lot of ATPs for the eukaryotic cell. So that benefits the eukaryotic cell, and the prokaryotics on gets the benefits of not dying and its get protection. So this symbiotic relationship is going to be constitutes the endosymbiont hypothesis. So that is why we would find circular DNA, because this circular DNA is found in prokaryotic cells. And since we say that, well, this right here, this forerunner to the mitochondria came from prokaryotic itself, then it makes sense that its DNA would also be circular, and to go along with that, will DNA is going to be self-replicating. So choice 2, self-replicating. Choice 2, self-replicating is going to be correct, right? So then choice 3, single-stranded, we know that this is incorrect, because although it is circular DNA, it is going to be double-stranded. So that is why if we are to look back, we have 1 and 2 being correct, right? 1 and 2 being correct, but 3 is incorrect, being that we rule out choice D, A and B, leaving us with a choice C as the correct answer here. I hope you understand this well. Thank you. So let's go to comment section, write your doubts. Okay dear all, bye bye. If you like this talk, please do the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Or you can also follow us on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram and LinkedIn for more upcoming updates. Link description box में दे दी है.